What's up, guys? Coach Hudson back at it with another video. Just real quick, I've been coaching for 4 years, working out for 6, and I'm certified personal trainer and gymnastics, tumbling, and indoor coach. So today we're gonna go over one of my workouts for strength and endurance for Ninja. So the idea for this workout is an endurance burnout, okay? So in Ninja, right, it's usually between a 3 to 6 minute run time, right? And your goal is to get through these obstacles as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So the idea behind this training philosophy is going as fast as I can, getting through as many obstacles as I can without falling, okay? The punishment for falling is 10 push-ups, and I did that really just because I like push-ups. And I feel like it's kind of a sense of punishment for my mind, right? And so whenever you fall, it teaches my brain that, oh, I don't want to do that, even though I already know not to do that. It's just reinforcing that, building habits, right? So following my endurance runs, I do a strength workout. Now this actual exercise, like the actual workout does not take very long. It's 2 sets, a 2x5 of muscle up negative. So you do the muscle up, right? Coming down real slow, and this gives you control through the entirety of the motion. Now this is important, first of all, because it's freaking awesome. And second of all, because this allows me to control my body when I'm doing obstacles, right? If I'm ever stuck, I'm in a pinch from here to here, I'm in total control, right? And that's super important. So I did 2 reps for 5 rounds, and the reason I set it up like that is because it's a hard move, right? And I want to be able to have perfect form every time, and perfect form is always more important than numbers. Secondly, weighted pull-ups. Weighted pull-ups is really just for strength, and also so my back looks like, I don't know, awesome. So my back looks awesome, right? Weighted pull-ups are really important for total strength, and it translates into more powerful pull-ups when, of course, there's no weight hanging there, right? Because if a regular pull-up with 55 looks like this, then your pull-up with no weight can be faster, and that's super beneficial over here.
Listen.
guys so much for watching. So glad you could tune in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? If you have any questions for me, any questions about Ninja, working out, training, anything like that, leave a comment, let me know. I respond to all comments, all right? Thank you so much.
Yeah.